Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy StrikeBit AI token on Binance Alpha. So StrikeBit, just get list on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search Strike. Search it and we'll find it on Alpha. This one, you can just click it, and this is the chart. From the chart perspective, it's not really good, but let's see the details. You can click info in the top here. We will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume 17 million, not really bad. I think it's quite good. And also you can check their website or their social media, their X account. And also you can check their audits here. You can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom, and then you can just instant buy. You can swap your USDT or other token to Strike, and you can also choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy here like this, and also the amount. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.